July 1st in the Pacific Northwest. Sounds like the beaver's at it. I got the funny feeling this is all going to be gone today. All that.